Welcome to another Dash GIS video. Dash is flexible, fast, and focused to solve your problems. Today we're going to talk about computerized maintenance management, or the extension for Dash, where it will track all your crews, preventive maintenance work orders, as well as reactive. It comes in two flavors, the full version and the maintenance activity reporter, which is the lighter version. Both come with a dashboard, which is the focus of today. The dashboard can be either a standalone web page for managers or can be a tab on the map. The dashboard has both graphics and lists that are all active. If you click on things, it will bring up work orders, it will take you to the map, or it will take you to other information that you'd like to see. You can have it configured to see the overdue maintenance work orders that are open, work orders are closed, ones that are due in next month, ones that are already closed in the last 30 days, to give managers a up-to-the-minute, in-touch process to get a handle on what's going on out in the field. Besides the overview tab, we can have graphical maintenance summary tables. In this case, the user wanted to have how many pipes are at each diameter and wanted to have that right there at his fingertips because he was asked that question a lot. This is the type of flexibility and access to information you can get. So once again, Dash GIS has a computer maintenance management system extension, a light version and a full version, and it's always $4.95 a month.